Hello everyone, thanks so much for checking out today's video and welcome back to our Wix email marketing series. Today we're going to learn how to add buttons in our email campaign. So this is the email campaign editor, and in order to add a button, just go to the plus button here or the add button and click on button. A button will be added to your email campaign. And if you wish to move it somewhere, you can use these arrow keys over here to either move it up or move it down, just like that. Now, I know we already have a button right here, but yeah, that's how you add a button. I'm just going to delete this one and work on this one instead. And when you work on your button, you'll be able to see this option over here. So you have two tabs where you can work on the button's content and where you can work on the button's design. Let's start on working with the button's content first. So the button text is where you can change what your button says. For example, you can click on order now. You can place order now, or you can type in um, click here, or whatever you want to put on your button. And what does it connect to? You actually have three options. You can select a regular URL and place your URL over here so that when your visitor or recipient clicks on this button, they'll be taken to this URL. You also have document. So if you wish to add a document to your button, click on choose file, wait for this small window to appear, click on upload media, upload from computer, select the file you'd like to upload, and then click on open. Wait for your file to be uploaded onto Wix, click on it, and then click on add to page. And your file will be saved over here. If you wish to change it, click on Change File over here and select your other file that you want to replace it with. And then finally, you have this standalone form. So you can create a form by clicking this plus button over here, which will open a new tab. And on this new tab is where you'll be able to create a form. So go ahead and do that. Now let's talk about the design part. So the design tab is where you can change your button's font. Feel free to choose any font that you like. Choose your text color as well over here on the text color option. You can also change your fill color. And if you like, you can add a border color to your button as well. You can change your borders width over here to make it more visible, like that. But I don't wish to have any border color. Just for demonstration purposes, I placed one earlier. You can choose your corner shape as well. If you wish to have a sharper corner or a more rounded corner, you can do that. You can also choose your alignment. You can align your button to the left, to the middle, or to the right. For the background, you can actually do that. Let's try it out. You can choose from default or full width. But I think I don't want a background, so yeah. And on top of that, you can also edit your buttons padding. Top padding, bottom padding, left padding, and right padding. There you go. And once you're done, make sure to click on Apply over here to make sure that your changes are saved. And basically, that's it. That's how you add and edit a button on the Wix email campaign editor. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching.